Daily Funny. Top 16 funniest clips of animals attacking people.
Come back.
Number 15. If you run, they will chase you. Number 14. When a bird decides gingers are not allowed. Number 13. Wow, birds are just really scary, aren't they?
Oh, you just took a big jump.
Number 12 takes place under the ocean. An octopus swims up to a diver and tries to grab his leg. Number 11. This elephant decides to give a girl a love tap.
He says hi.
Number 10. This elephant also gives a girl a love tap, but slightly harder.
Go closer. Put your arm around the trunk. Go on. Go on the front side.
Number 9. It doesn't matter how small an animal is, it can still be super scary. Number 8. Oh, here we go. Birds are still attacking people. Number 7. Doesn't matter if you're in a parking lot or in a beach, the birds are coming. Number 6. This girl gets mad that the cameraman is laughing, and then the bird spills coffee.
Go away. No, don't you laugh.
Number 5. Some animals are just so frightening, they don't even have to move.
Anything? Shut up! It's just a turtle.
Fine.
Number 4. Feeding animals can be fun until they start feeding on you. Congratulations, you've made it to the top 3. A pair of vacationists are petting some pigs until one pig decides to sneak up from behind. Number 2. This is the day this kid found out his friends are not very nice people.
Mike! You got a snake on you! You got a snake on you! Mike! Oh, don't move, bro! Get the snake! Get the snake! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake, Julia! Get the snake! Get the snake, bro!
Number 1. The human gets what the human deserves. Thank you guys so much for watching this compilation of hilarious animals attacking people. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up as it will help this video get around to more people. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more funny videos. And I'll see you next time for your next Daily Funny.
No, I won't stop, I won't stop.